ekiri Bungereza kwekalakaasa bannayuganda abawangalira eyo abali mu kwekalakaasa olwa gavumenti ya Gino Museveni etumazeeko emirembe abeekalakaasa okulaba nga Abangereza bakomya okuwa Gino Museveni ensimbi empitirivu okulaba nga ensimbi ezo bazumuwa azikozesa ate mu kutta mu kuwamba mu kutulugunya mu kukola bikolobero ku bannayuganda n'olwekyo bannayuganda baagala Bungereza ekomye okuwa Gino Museveni ensimbi ate ayimbule baganda baffe ayimbule abaana baffe ayimbule mikwano gyaffe ayimbule ba political prisoners abatalina musango ayimbule Olivia Lutaya ayimbule Machete Yasini ayimbule Mujadini n'abalala kati nno bano bategese Okwekalakaasa sinzi gufungula enkete okuli wali mu ggwanga lya Bungereza ku embassy wa ku kitebe kya Uganda House e Bungereza era nga baweddeyo bannayuganda bazze mu bungi okulaba nga enteekateeka zino zigenda mu maaso kati samondegateko atudduke embirombiro tugende Bungereza abate enteekateeka nga bwe ziri asobole okwongera okunoonya baganda baffe Gino Museveni abate nokanga eggwanga ffe terera bakoma okumuwa ensimbi twalina okumuwa ensimbi Uganda yaffe wajja kulaakulana nga tegenda mu maaso ate banawenda okumuwa ensimbi ajja kwongera kulinnya kufutubalako eggwanga laffe ate tusituke n'okusaanawo kale tutandise tutyo.
She kept asking questions. Yeah, and I nearly thought she. From Uganda, because she from Uganda, maybe I'm from Uganda. No, Zambia. No, it does. But the thing is, yeah, and then finally I told her our successes in last 3 years. Yeah. She told me, why she can apply in our country? Yeah. I didn't know which country she was. And she kept recording. Yeah. It's consistency. That is all. BBC, that's what we did at BBC. Yeah. Keep going. 6 times, the media, BBC has behaved. We brought them in line. Exactly. If you want, to send you an account of our successes. I do have them. Yeah, wait. Now I have a full analysis. Anita Mong is. I have to have my copter. I'm not feeling very well. Is that the day? Yeah. This thing has not for 3-4 weeks. No, there's the one that is 100 days. Yeah, but it's the one that brought. I was copying like. They're saying there's one that is over 167 volume. I'm not in a hurry today. You can buy anything for me. Today has been a success. Yeah. Canada, we have to find. But Canada brings numbers. Because I know my friends told me we are coming 400 to 500 today. And that is to me. The competition is good. Yeah. I don't. If they can do it, let them do it. That's all we need. We need actually a uniform thing from every country. The other thing, they shouldn't have done it today. They should have done it the other Friday. Yeah. So we spread it out thin for Museveni to know. Because today you'll be with the remote, Canada, New York, Washington are doing well. Because that is a snapshot, and that is one thing Rodney is very good at getting. I like Neil. I'll call Florence. She will have to pay 50 pounds for not turning up. Florence. My daughter. Oh yeah, no, she's busy. She will have turned up. My agent. Yeah. That one is the government. Yeah.
start making my way back.
Oh.
Yeah, because I'm organizing a curry night. So I need to go back, print the list, and straight away head off. Maybe after this song, but your phone is on here, somebody can connect on it.
Yeah, I can connect on it.
Yeah,
Control is not very active. Is not actually. I'll do it. Give it another 10 minutes and then I can connect to Control. She shocked me. Ketchup. Bring everybody here. That makes sense.
Thank you everyone for coming today. People power.
Our power.
People power.
This
It's time to let
install
the
it.
the house at the Trafalgar Square.
She asked me,
Today
why
for a
did you call
reason.
me? Why don't you
Uganda has
I
been
said, I think your phone also has a call.
undergoing a silent
She brings
genocide
blame,
by
blames.
General Museveni, who is a dictator. He's been a dictator for 40 years. And that's why every Ugandan
Full volume.
is saying that we need
Yeah,
change. It's
you
been a
need-
long
you need to just
time
pull.
coming.
Yeah, the way
But
place.
some of the
If
people
you have a
who
beard
don't
here,
understand
Yeah.
why
put
people
here.
want
No, you need
traditional
put it direct like that.
Yeah,
That
but you put it here because I talk in church.
Uganda is both.
I'll show you my church, because
the king
I'm the
and
Swahili
also the
interpreter.
president, just like England is. But the king of Uganda has disappeared for
It's not
some
working.
time. So there is a group of people who are saying that where is our king? And that's why you'll see that some people are wearing Uganda attire, which is the Thomas. Most probably you could have seen some people wearing kanzu. So this is our tradition. Some people are saying that where is the king? And that's why we stand here. We have a king, Oechitiwa Kabaka Muwenda Mutemi the 68.
It's like winter. We are in winter.
He has not been around for a
Because he's a
very long
star.
time.
He works in
And people
Central
are wondering,
He's a-
why?
Yeah. That one and the other one
Last year.
also with the heart. They all work.
Because
Yeah.
we are going under
They're supposed to
dictatorship.
move
You
along.
can't rule
That
out
one doesn't want to appear.
anything.
He keeps sending me money
Anything.
and saying
So
things.
this is why we
You
come
know
out
people send
and
money.
say that, guess what? Uganda, kingdom
Yeah,
and the
that's the
leadership
time.
of Uganda, please come out and give
I've told him to.
because when he
from
gives us
today,
one
let him
explanation
send
in
the
the
money to
morning,
Pato.
then give another in the afternoon, then somebody else comes and gives us another thing. People are confused and they're wondering, where's the king? This is what I'm trying to explain because there's so many statements that don't really add up. That's why people are saying that no. We need to come out, raise our voices because this is our ultimate responsibility to speak. It has been there for many years asking for their king when they haven't seen him. When they haven't seen him for a while, it is their responsibility to come out and say that, wait a minute, where's King Charles? So the Ugandans and the Baganda are saying that, where is our king, Ronald Muwenda Muteri? They just want to know what is going on. It's not a problem. Please don't make it a problem. People are simply asking a
I read these
question.
commentaries, that's very
Where
funny.
is the king? That's why you see some people are wearing this attire. Kwanga Tulimu dictatorship, you can't rule out anything. Because the it's happened before. We have seen a king killed. So this is why people are not content and they're not comfortable not knowing where the king is. That's why you're going to see this attire. We have some people like Olivia Lutaya. She has been in prison for more than 2 years. This girl simply supported Robert Chagulanyi, and she says that we want change. Alongside Michael Semudu, Mohammed
and she thinks that's a lot of money.
Hassan
Her parents go to everything. But then Ali told me she also buys them.
Mustafa Nwemba, Babas Moses, Kanata, Sanya, Davis Mutawa,
I've sponsored Sanya with all my friends.
Chiwanka,
Couple.
Olivia
You know the one
Taya,
they put out
Stefan,
in the very important
Masaka,
He's a
Masa,
That's why they can't release him.
and many others. They have disappeared for more than a year, and nobody's giving us answers. Among the many problems in Uganda, people are disappearing on a daily basis. Somebody, for those of you in England who sound the
destruction.
Robert Chagulanyi is our leader. And somebody made an answer for him at the Vatican because he was a nominee for People's President documentary. And guess what? The person who made the answer was arrested simply because he made an answer. What kind of nonsense can that be? This is what we call upon every single person, please. Regardless of your religion, your tribe, what you believe in. The common problem in Uganda is Muslim. It doesn't matter if you're in Uganda. It doesn't matter if you're in Choli. It doesn't matter if you're in Soka. It doesn't matter. Every single person in Uganda is undergoing the dictatorship of Muslim. This is why we need to join our hands on a common cause. I may not agree with you on a certain statement,
Sometimes
but
I
that
don't have to
doesn't
listen
mean
to
that it
the
doesn't stand.
because I will never eat.
If I have a problem with my me, and you stand with me, then why don't I also stand with you on your cause? Let us join hands as Ugandans, please, in unity. Let us unite on a common cause, and that is the dictatorship of 7. For once and for all, please put the bloody differences on the side. Stop people power.
That's what it's right.
Let us put our differences in religion, in tribes, in ideology, in anything, and
this
to
is another
survey
way to
them.
do it.
And that unity is the only way we can stand and outseek the dictatorship of the
Voilà.
If we don't unite,
Katukakkanya ekyakabaka busizizaawo. Sooka obuuze ku Desmond. Mwami wo. Era omwagala nnyo, nze twanjagala nnyo. Omwagala nnyo. Nze tewanjagala. Mwe mugenda naye ffe tugenda nayo myaka 14. Nze bakwata ku nze. Ekyandi ku myaka kwenza gikubaaki.
We cannot stand outside as political parties. What is going to remove Muslim people?
Don't ever fear. The kings that have gone for Bungereza will come from it.
Why don't we join on that? Regardless of I don't believe in what you say. As long as we're speaking change, we need to unite on that one cause.
I told her.
Because that is our problem. That is our reason. Is to remove the dictator. And we can do it if we unite.
I said no.
If we continuously eating each other and fighting each other, we cannot do this. It's a dead cause. I repeat, if we don't stand on the same cause, it's a dead cause. We shall continuously shout. We call upon every single Ugandan. Please share this message. Please go on Twitter. Please write. If you can write, if you can speak, if you can sing, King Saga is singing. Join him. Stop going into the nitty-gritty. Why is the other, questioning one problem after the other? Why do we always have to find a problem in every solution?
He's so brave.
My name is Patricia.
This is me.
I know now he has come out.
He's taken off the glass.
Come out now.
Bend
He's taken over
down.
just
Yeah, mine is pretty.
Our power. No, people power, our power. The leader can remind the world. If people haven't put in the guy, the people's president. I have you ask why are these people here? Why are they holding gun trap in front of the gun house? We come here from time to time to raise our voices about our people. The situation why so many refugees here, why we keep on having refugees here is because of operations in back home in those countries. So the refugees are a problem in the UK. Our country is the UK government is being asked to stop getting the operations in Africa.
What I'm trying to organize about
Everybody, you have 60 of them.
well, that money goes to the money. The money, they get
General SURVE is the most corrupt person in the world at the moment. He's one of the richest.
Send me the origin.
I'll send you that one. Anyway,
He has declared
for what you do work
himself
God in my country.
so he doesn't represent the interest of
You do more.
He's
For me, I'm penniless.
You send my love to my
he
sister.
oppresses.
Oh,
So
yes.
if you follow Bob Wine,
She's bringing power to me. I don't eat when I come here. I don't
Even I'm
eat.
just weak today. I'm so exhausted. I had to wake up
however,
at 6 o'clock,
the system
5 a.m. had my breakfast, went and worked 1 hour, finished the loan that I normally take 2 hours. I was just kind of moving with adrenaline. And then straight away, came back, had a shower out.
My manager made a mistake and made a false story. I can't stomach that. He knows me clearly.
He's supposed to be the president of Uganda.
That is supposed to be the civilian because Ugandans have lived under operation for many years, they cannot come up and rise and show their disagreements and the elections were stolen and the people being stolen year after year. What is shameful is the UK government, the European Union government, they have corporations, they have relationships, but they have relationship with the leaders who are misleading representation. So the people are angry at the government, but they're not angry at the people that is funding their atrocities. Yes. So that's why we are here. We are here to just, of course, the ambassador to Uganda for Uganda to the UK does not present our views to the government because he serves the interest of the dictator. However, we come here and let the public know. The public get a chance to know why we are here every now and then. Africa is beautiful, however, the leadership is the one which is failed on it. And there's a lot of corruption that is ongoing. So as you can see recently, Anita Mongi, thank you very much, lady. Lovely to meet you. Thank you. Anyone you more welcome to ask questions.
Bwetyo embeera bweri ku wano ku embassy ya Uganda mu ggwanga lya Bungereza nga Bannayuganda beekalakaasa olw'effuga bbi olw'embeera embi eri wano ewaka era nga bababulidde Abazungu amazima nti ffe tujja eno mu nsi yammwe okulomba okubundabunda kubanga muteekawo embeera embi mu mawanga gaffe nga muwagira bannakyemera n'olwekyo mutereze waffe muli bannakyemera bammwe tudde waffe tuyagale mu Uganda yaffe waffe so twagalayo nnyo wanyukuga bwatutama kale embeera bwetyo bweri tulaze mu Uganda ffe beekalakaasiza tweyongere maaso okusindika ekifo kino paka nakyemera Museveni nga kupimwa atensi ya face olw'okweyagala tumagala nnyo mwena mwali kubaako bula tunda 10 tutakuba tuddamu batayi mweraba.